All right, hey guys, part three on how to fix your iPhone screen for $5. So we have this was a 7 Plus LCD, and we were using our QRC electric cleaner, and we're using these microfiber cloths to clean the LCD. Okay, cleaning that very well. Okay. I like to use these because these are microfiber. You know, you can find these on eBay. You get all your, doesn't get all the spots out, doesn't leave like little pieces of lint. Okay, now that it's pretty decently clean, as you can see, very minimal scratches, so we don't have to change the polarizer. I like leaving everything original. We're now going to use this. This is a special mold for the glass with the frame. Okay, so this is a mold that we use this for a 7 Plus. We're going to use this mold here. Make sure there's no, sure there's no pieces of glass in here. Kind of lift up. There might be some little bits of glue, no big deal. So we're gonna bend this cable ever so gently. Okay. And we are now gonna, this is an align, it's called an alignment mold. So this you line, keeps everything nice and flat and steady. So when we put the glass on top with the frame, everything's gonna line up properly. Okay. Now we're just gonna give this another quick cleaning. Give this a quick cleaning. This takes a little time, so just, you don't want there to be any pieces of lint or something. So it's good to have some pretty good lighting so you can see if there's anything inside there. Okay, so it looks pretty good. I like to take a little air, make sure there's nothing in there. Okay, so now you're gonna get your frame. It's a very good idea to clean the glass as well. Sometimes there's a little bits of dust from the shipping. Clean that out really good. Because there is a sheet of glue underneath here that can cling to the Oka. Okay, so take this little tape. Sometimes this peels up. I like to use a razor blade, but I like to peel this off because sometimes that sticks and then get a little backlash. Let's give it like one more clean. looks good. No dust anywhere. Okay. Nice and aligned. Now we're going to take a razor blade. And I'm going to open from the bottom here. See if we can get that a little bit better. Okay, from the bottom here, I'm going to peel this off. Okay, so I'm kind of just gonna dig in here. I don't know if you guys can see that. Taking that blade, lifting up the protectant from the oka. Now I'm gonna flip this over and gently peel this off. Okay. Make sure there's no dust. Okay, I'm going to take this with the hole down because that's where the bottom home button goes in. I'm going to place this into the alignment mold very carefully. And it's very important for 6S all the way to the 8 Plus. The regular 6 and 6 Plus, you kind of like push this down and make a little, connection, like a touch to the glue. But you don't want to do that with these. You want to make sure you press down from the sides, just gently, because you want to make sure that there's enough room for the air to get sucked out once we put it in the into the laminator. So you want to, sometimes you got to flip this upside down. Just give it a little pressure. When you see just a little bit of the glue touch, that's when we're ready. Okay, touch down a little bit there. I don't know if you see that. It's very little on this side. I want to get the other side. It's very little. Sometimes, if it doesn't touch on this side, pull it off from the side that it did cling on. And then just peel it off this way. There you go. And then you can probably see now it's already kind of doing it itself, which is fine. It's already stuck there, that's fine. You want to gently, don't apply any pressure. You want to take this, you want to tape this down. Again, be careful to apply pressure on the other side. You just want to tape this down because we're now going to put this in the laminator. So see, it's coming down a little bit, but that's still okay. You see that? Okay, so now we're going to place this down for 1 second, and we're going to get you a different view. So hang out 1 second. Actually, it's best to, the view should be this way.